Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour about my room in Kuala Lumpur. So I just landed from Chiang Mai to Kuala Lumpur and I'll be staying here for a few days. And I thought of, reviewing this room. And this room I booked in the area called Bukit Bintang. You must have heard of Bukit Bintang. Bukit Bintang is the most happening area in Kuala Lumpur. You ask anyone, you Google, you do what you do. Try to do whatever you want to find out which is the most happening area, and everything will come back saying Bukit Bintang is the most happening area here in Kuala Lumpur. So this hotel is called 28B and I'm going to give you a quick room tour about this hotel and how this hotel is, what is the cost of this hotel and my overall review. I'll give it at the end. So without skipping this video, try to watch this video till the end to know all the details about this hotel. So that is the lobby. You come from there and there you have the lift, and my room is number 68. So I'll just access this. As you see, it's completely dark because I need to place the key card. Yes, I've placed the key card. And that is my backpack. That is pretty much I carry with whenever I travel solo. And this is the safe, and I've got my charger. But my bad luck is I've not got the travel adapter. So this Indian chargers will not fit here, as you can see. So I'll have to go borrow a travel adapter from the hotel, or I'll have to buy a new one. The new one is going to be touch expensive, but I have absolutely no choice. And this is a place for hangers, so I'm just going to hang a few clothes now here. And this is a double bed, and you can see there is a half size mirror there. And this is kind of a work from home setup. If you're working from Kuala Lumpur, if you plan to work for 2 days and take the rest of the days off, this is a good place to work. They've got the sockets as well, and this is kind of a mini washroom that we have here. And there is no glass door. That is a bit disappointing. There's only a curtain, but it's fine, I guess. And they've got this washroom. They've got this commode, and this looks pretty basic. There is no hand towel. For some reason, is it? No, there is no hand towel for some reason. So that is pretty disappointing. And you have this mirror here. And this is the TV. I don't think we'll have time to watch the TV, but yeah, this is just in case. And that is the AC, and you've got the fan, so that is a positive. In Chiang Mai, they gave AC, but they did not give a fan because that was a bit disappointing, I would say. So this is the room, guys. This is pretty much it. I'll just come to the last and I'll give you an overview. So this is the room itself. Hey guys, so you saw the room tour. This room costed me around 2,000 around 2,000 rupees per night, which is very cheap considering this is Bukit Bintang. And they collect a 10 ringgit tax as a part of government tax every single day. So that is 50 ringgit extra for me. So that is one per day is 10 ringgit as you have to pay government tax if you're staying in Kuala Lumpur. And that is inclusive in the Agoda booking that I did. So I don't have to pay anything extra. But one sad part about this hotel is you have to pay 50 ringgit as a advance. So they are going to return it at the end by looking if there are no damages in the room, etc. So that is something that is disappointing because I carried 50 ringgit and I gave it to the hotel. So now I have to go exchange currency, and at the time when I exchange currency and come back and take this 50 ringgit at the end of my hotel, then I'm going to again have to exchange the currency back to US dollars or INR. I cannot carry that INR Malaysian ringgit back to India again. So that is a pretty disappointing thing. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this is the hotel, and it costed me, like I said, 2,000 rupees plus 10 ringgit that you have to pay. There is inclusive of 2,000 rupees INR, and then you have to pay 50 ringgit as the advance. So I think I hope this information is very, very helpful for you guys. So if you need any information, if you need anything, just feel free to ping me. I'll respond to you, and there'll be a lot of videos that will be coming out in Malaysia, very, very information videos only, not junk videos, guys. So don't worry, I'm not going to show you the places around. You can come and see the places for yourself, but I'll show you what is the important things or what is exactly needed when it comes to Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you want anything, please comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you guys as soon as possible.